forget it, whatever it is. Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and I'm going to do a quick review over the app. Let's see where it is. Simple Transfer. So app looks like right here. I'll go ahead and do a screen recording from here, so it's a little bit easier to follow along. But Simple Transfer is just an app that you can get on the iPhone. I forget what the actual subscription cost is, and I figure anyone looking at this video is currently just wondering whether it's worth it or not. So the app looks like so, and what it allows you to do is take things from here and put them on my computer. As you know, I'm an editor for the Toasty Bros, and so a lot of times when we do mobile shots and shoots like that, I'll have to move stuff over. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is load up the app itself on the desktop as well as the phone, and when they are both set up, I can go ahead and hit find device, and you'll see right there, code's right here. It'll pop up. It didn't have me do the code because I've logged once in today, but you'll pop in the code and I'm connected, so I can go ahead and go to my recents. And I wanted to do a TikTok, for instance, today and make it easy, so I go ahead and take, here's some footage right here that I wanted to do, and I hit download. I tell it where to download to, and it's done. And then if I want to, say for instance, put footage back onto my device, here was the finished version. I could copy it right back over, and I could upload it to my phone. So overall, ease of use. So as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi, it's really quick, but you do have to be on Wi-Fi. If you're a wired PC, then you need to make sure it has an Ethernet available, or not an Ethernet. It needs to have a Wi-Fi adapter on there of some sort in order to do this. But overall, it's an awesome product. I've used it quite a lot with this job, but I do recommend it to anyone that is looking for an easy way to just transfer between. I think it's a one-time fee. If I'm right, when I did it was like $20, $30. But it is, for me, the easiest way on iPhone to transfer between computer and iPhone. So hope that helped. If you have any questions, you leave them in the comments and I'll try to check. Otherwise, peace.